Hi, my gems. It's Charming L here. I'm getting ready to go eat me some good old Mexican food. Margaritas! Come with me inside. Hi, my gems. I'm inside. I got my food. Look at that. I got a chicken chimichanga, refried beans, and some rice. Plate was hot. That came out fresh. I'm so excited to try this place. I've never been here before. My first time trying it. I'm about to dive into this chicken chimichanga. Got some guacamole, little side of it. I don't know where to start. It was actually bigger than I thought it would be. So where did I start? Okie dokie. Any day now. Look at that. It was freshly made. It was so hot. Cutting through it was a little task because it was so hot. But who doesn't like fresh, hot food? And it was cheesy too. Very cheesy. Can't wait for my first bite, y'all. I was struggling because it was so soft and cheesy. Look at that. See? It was hard to try to keep it on the fork because of the cheese and the chicken. It was so fresh. A hot mess. Here we go. First bite, y'all. Cheers. Mmm. That first bite was nice, hot, and cheesy. What? Stop playing with me, y'all. That was good. That first bite was amazing. Thumbs up. Mmm. It was so hot, I didn't know whether to get another bite right away or not. We tried the refried beans and the rice. I like to combine that together. Who likes to eat their beans and rice at the same time? I do. Let me see. Okay. It's hot. Told you everything was freshly made. 2 thumbs up. I give it. For sure. I love these some rice. Oh, let me try a little dollop of the guacamole. Put on there. I almost forgot I had that on the side. I'm very picky with my guacamole. I don't eat guacamole everywhere. I just like to try it just to see if I like it. Look at the cheese. It's still trying to hang in there. Look at that. Yep. Yep. I approved of that. Like I said, I'm picky with my guacamole, but that was good. I should have asked for more. 10 out of 10, y'all. Charming L approved. Bye. Love ya.